Don't want to fix it alone? Call RVFix to get virtual assistance from a certified technician today.
Hi, this is Kevin with RVFix. Today I wanted to go over summarizing our Brinkley Model Z 3100. So to begin with, we're going to want to come and go to our water bay on the driver's side of the unit. So once we get over here, we have the Nautilus P4 set up on this Brinkley. We're going to get a water hose hooked up to our city water connection. And then we're going to want to make sure our orientation of valves, we're going to fill the fresh tank for summarizing. We could always do it city water and just pressurize that way to flush it out. But putting it in the fresh tank using the water pump, we're going to make sure we get the antifreeze out of our water pump as well. So we're just going to turn our water hose on. You will want to make sure our fresh tank drain is down under our slide on that side, but you want to make sure that fresh tank drain's already been closed. So our fresh tank drain handle is actually right here behind your rear tire. It's just that white knife valve handle. Just make sure that's closed up. All right, now that we have a third tank of fresh water, we're going to go ahead and we're going to change over our Nautilus here to dry camping so that we will be drinking from the fresh tank with that water pump for pumping everything through there. Another thing to note on this when summarizing, with the tankless water heater on here, there's no drains to this, there's no bypasses, so we're just going to go pump all the antifreeze out. Water pump control out here, but we're going to start inside, so we'll just kick it on in there and get our antifreeze flushed out. All right, right here on our monitor panel, we're just going to go ahead and kick that water pump on. And we're just going to come through, start running each water fixture on hot or cold first. We're going to just do them one at a time, go back and forth between hot and cold until we get all the pink out. All right, once that starts running clear, we go ahead and switch it over. All right, then we'll head into our bathroom. And we're going to do the same thing in here. We're going to just flush that toilet, get nice and clear water coming out. Bathroom sink. And then our shower faucet in here is going to be a little bit of a different setup. We got a few different places where we can actually spray the water from. So we're going to go ahead and turn it on with our valve at the bottom. So when you just tilt that out. And like I said, we're going to have different fixtures that we can actually spray the water out of on there. So once we got that side, we're just going to change this over. Go ahead and flush the pink out of the cold side now. And you don't have to go back through each faucet. They've already been flushed out. But so on this unit, it is just pre-set up for a washer and dryer, so there's nothing we have to do summarizing. But if you did have the washing machine, you'd want to make sure you come in here and run it through a cycle to get that antifreeze flushed out of there. And then the last things we're going to do, there is a couple quick connect faucets out here. And we're going to go ahead and just flush these guys out as well. So just a quick note on these quick connect faucets. You want to make sure when you're done using it that you are closing your hot and colds on there. Because if I just stop spraying or if I unplug this hose but I leave these hot and colds open, it kind of works as a mixer. You can run into some water temperature issues if you leave those guys open. So we go ahead and make sure those are closed. And then we're going to take this hose to the other side. And we're just going to come over here and do the exact same thing. Hook our quick connect up. Alright, so once we got all the antifreeze flushed out of the water lines, you will want to make sure to do a pre-season inspection on the rest of the unit as well. Checking tire pressure, torquing the lug nuts, and of course getting up on the roof and taking a look at all your seals. If you run into any questions while summarizing your unit, go ahead and drop a comment. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching. If this video didn't solve your problem, don't worry. We're here to help. Give us a call at 1-844-66-RVFix. We'll diagnose your issue quickly with a certified technician on a video call, get any parts and warranty processed, and if needed, we'll coordinate a service center or mobile technician to get you fixed. We'll handle it all so you can get back to camping.